Hello everyone, we are back with another good question. Let's take a quick look at our question. 6 minus 3 equals 3. 6 minus 3 equals 3. There is hidden multiplication. Now multiplication 3 times 3 equals 9. If you solve it this way, you made a mistake because we didn't pay attention to order of operation. We got the order operation as PEMDAS. P parentheses A stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. We have one more feature here. There is no order multiplication and division operation performed from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction no order operation are performed from left to right. Let's apply these rules to our solution. First parenthesis 6 minus 3 equals 3. Hidden multiplication 6 subtracts 3. Now multiplication 3 times 3 equals 9. Finally subtract 6 minus 9 equals negative 3. We solved the solution in detail. I hope you understand. We've reached the end of our video. Solve the question on the screen. Write your answer in the comments section. Let's see who gets the correct answer. You can subscribe for new videos by clicking the logo on the screen. You can also check out my other videos in the sections on the sidebar. See you in the next video.